In this video, we are going to see MCQs from basic algebra. The first question, modulus x plus 2 less than or equal to 9. You know, modulus of a number less than or equal to 9 means that number must lies between minus 9 and plus 9. If it is greater than, lies outside minus 9 and plus 9. Here it is given less than. So, this value must lie between minus 9 and plus 9. So, you can write it as minus 9 less than or equal to x plus 2 less than or equal to 9. This lies between minus 9 and plus 9. But we want to see x. So, this plus 2 must be cancelled. So, we subtract 2 with each term. From every term, you subtract 2. So, minus 9 minus 2, it is minus 11, less than or equal, when you remove 2, you will get x, less than or equal, when you subtract 2, you will get what? 7. So, x lies between minus 11 and plus 7, both minus 11 and 7 included. So, the correct option is the second one, the closed interval minus 11, 7. Second question, given that x, y and b are real numbers, x is less than y, one inequality given, x is less than y and b is greater than 0, b is greater than 0. See the given options, x less than y given, everywhere they multiplied by b or divided by b. So, you have to see the sign of b because it is an inequality. You know, inequality reverses only in two cases. When you multiply or divide by a negative number, the inequality reverses, or when you take reciprocal also, inequality reverses. Here b is a positive number, b is a positive number. So, if you multiply or divide by b, the inequality remains same. So, when you multiply by b on both sides, bx and by, the inequality remains same. So, bx less than by or bx or xb less than yb, and that is the correct option. The third question, if modulus x minus 2 by x minus 2 greater than or equal to 0. One rational expression given, they said it is positive, greater than or equal to 0. See the numerator. So, a fraction is positive, a by b is positive means two cases. Either both a and b must be positive or both a and b must be negative. But here you see the numerator, it is absolute value, modulus of x minus 2. So, you know it is positive. So, only thing to satisfy this condition, denominator must be positive. So, x minus 2 is greater than 0. You can't say equal to 0. Because if I say x minus 2 equal to 0, you will get x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 means some 0 by 0 will come, right? It is not defined. So, you cannot take 2. So, x minus 2 greater than 0, or you can say x is greater than 2. X is greater than 2 and the right side value. So, the answer is 2 to infinity. The correct option is 2. Now, let us see the fourth question. The solution of 5x minus 1 less than 24 and 5x plus 1 greater than minus 2 inequalities given. Easily you can solve it. 5x is less than 24 plus 1, it is 25, or x is less than 25 by 5, it is 5, x is less than 5. If you see the next one, 5x is greater than minus 24 minus 1, it is minus 25, or x is greater than minus 25 by 5, it is minus 5. So, listen, x is less than 5 and so both must satisfy, x is less than 5 and x is greater than minus 5. Minus 5 is here, 5 is here. X is less than 5. X is less than 5 means everything will come. And x is greater than minus 5 means all these portion. But and means both must satisfy. So, this is the portion you have to include. This is the portion you are taking. But these points are not included because x is less than 5. 5 is not included. X is greater than minus 5. Minus 5 is not included. So, it is the open interval minus 5 comma plus 5. So, the correct option is the third one. Minus 5 plus 5 open interval. Now, we see the fifth question. The solution set of the inequality. One inequality given, modulus x minus 1 greater than or equal to modulus x minus 3. So, here you can say two things. You know, x is there in two places. Suppose both are equal, x equal x. Here I am removing 1. Here I am removing 3. So you can't say equal. This must be greater. Because here we are subtracting 3. So x minus 1 is greater than x minus 3. From here you cannot find x because both x get cancelled. So if I write minus of x minus 3, it is true because now put a minus sign, that side will decrease further. So you can write it as x minus 1 is greater than minus x plus 3. Bring that minus x here, x plus x, it is 2x is greater than 3 plus 1, it is 4. 2x is greater than 4, or you say x is greater than 2. X is greater than 2. X is greater than 2 means 2 and the right side values, it goes up to infinity. 2 is not included, so it is the open interval 2 comma infinity. So the correct answer is, but here it is given greater than or equal to. Since equal sign is also there, that point also you can take. So the correct answer is the closed interval 2 comma infinity. So the correct option is the second one. Question number 6. The value of log 512 to the base root 2. Log 512 to the base root 2. Say assume take it as x. Change it into exponential form, root 2 raised to x. Root 2 raised to x is equal to 512. Root 2 raised to x. Root 2 can be written as 2 raised to half. The whole raised to x. 512 means it is 2 raised to 9. So here 2 raised to x by 2. 2 raised to x by 2 is 2 raised to 9. So bases are equal. So you can say the powers are equal. X by 2 is 9. X by 2 is 9. Cross multiply. You will get x is equal to 9 into 2. It is 18. So the correct option is the second one, 18. Similar question, question number 7. The value of log 1 by 81 to the base 3. Log 1 by 81 to the base 3, we take it as x. Again change it into exponential form, you will get 3 raised to x. 3 raised to x is equal to 1 by 81. That is 1 by 81 can be written as 3 raised to 4. 3 raised to 4. That is 3 raised to x is equal to 1 by 3 raised to 4 is 3 raised to minus 4. Now the bases are same, 3 and 3. So the powers must be same. You will get x is equal to minus 4, and that is the third option. So the correct answer is the third one, that is minus 4. Eighth question, log 0.25 base root x is 4. Here also you change it into exponential form. So root x raised to 4. Root x raised to 4. Root x raised to 4 equal to 0.25. Root x means x raised to half, the whole power 4 is 0.25. Here 2 cancel, you will get x square is equal to 0.25. You can write it as 0.5 the whole square. 0.5 the whole square. Now powers are same, 2 and 2. So the bases must be equal. So you know x is equal to 0.5. So the correct answer is the first one, 0.5. Ninth question. Log b to the base a into log c to the base b into log a to the base c. So here you can apply base changing rule. So you see here b, here also b, right? Cross you can see these two cancel. Here c, here also c. So what is left out? Log a to the base a. If these two numbers are same, the answer is 1. So the correct answer is the second option, 1. Now let us see the 10th question. 3 is the logarithm of 343. 3 is the logarithm of 343. Then the base is, we have to find the base. I am taking the base as a. Change it into exponential form, a raised to 3. So a raised to 3 is equal to 343. 343 is 7 cube. So you are getting a cube is equal to 7 cube. Powers are equal, so bases must be equal. So you are getting a is equal to 7. The second option is the correct one. Let us see the 11th question. Find a so that sum and product of the roots of this equation are equal. A quadratic equation given, you know the formula for sum. Suppose the roots are alpha and beta. Sum of the roots equal to minus b by a and product of the roots equal to c by a. That result only we are going to apply here. First you check whether the quadratic equation is given in the correct form. ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. Yes, it is the correct form only. This is a value 2 and b value is this one, a minus 3 and c is the remaining 3a minus 5. It is given in the question, sum is equal to product. Sum is equal to minus b by a. Product is equal to c by a. A cancel. So, you are getting minus b equal to c. Minus of b, this is our b value. So, minus of b means minus a plus 3 equal to c. C is 3a minus 5. So, 3a plus a, it is 4a. 3 plus 5, it is 8. So, a is equal to 8 by 4. So, a value 2. So, the correct answer is the second option, it is 2. We see the 12th question. A and b are roots of this equation, x square minus kx plus 16 equals 0. Satisfy a square plus b square equal to 32. Find the value of k. We have to find k value. What is given here? A square plus b square equal to 32. We know a formula, alpha square plus beta square is alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Instead of alpha and beta, we have a and b. So, a square plus b square is, you can write it as a plus b the whole square minus 2ab equal to 32. Alpha plus beta minus b by a. So, you can find first itself, a plus b is equal to minus b by a. So, minus k, it is plus k by 1. So, a plus b is k and a into b, product is equal to c by a. C by a means 16 by 1, it is 16. So, we substitute that value is a plus b is k. So, k square minus 2 into ab value 16, 2 into 16 equal to 32. So, you are getting k square is equal to 32, here one minus 32, take it to the right side, 32 plus 32 is 64. So, k is equal to root of 64. So, your answer is plus or minus 8. So, the correct answer is plus 8 or minus 8, the third option. 13th question. The number of solutions of x square plus x minus 1 equal to 1. You know, it is a quadratic equation, x square. No other x square term is there. So, it is a second degree equation. Second degree equation means number of solutions will be 2. So, the correct answer is third option, it is 2. So, number of solutions is 2. Now, let us see the 14th question. The equation whose roots are numerically equal but opposite in sign to the roots of this. One equation given, we assume the roots as alpha and beta. You have to form another equation whose roots are same, numerically same, alpha and beta, but they differ in sign. That means the roots of the new equation are minus alpha and minus beta. You know how to frame the equation, x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots equal to 0. So, first we find alpha plus beta and alpha beta from this equation. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a. So, that is minus 5, it is 5 by a value 3. Alpha into beta is c by a, that is minus 7 by 3. But for the new equation, the roots are minus alpha and minus beta. So, you find the sum there. So, sum means you have to add these two. Minus alpha minus beta, that is minus of alpha plus beta. So, alpha plus beta value, you know, it is 5 by 3. So, minus of alpha plus beta is minus 5 by 3. So, the sum is minus 5 by 3 for the new equation. We have to find the product. Product means you multiply these two, minus alpha into minus beta, minus into minus plus. So, alpha beta value minus 7 by 3. Now, with these two, you have to frame the new equation. You know how to frame the equation, x square minus sum of the root into x plus product equal to 0. X square minus sum of the roots is minus 5 by 3. So, minus plus 5 by 3 into x plus product is minus 7 by 3 equal to 0. If you multiply every term by 3, because denominator is 3, if you multiply by 3, you will get 3x square plus 5x minus 7 equal to 0, because these 3's get cancelled. So, this is second option is the correct answer. Now, let us see the 15th question. 8 and 2 are the roots of the first equation. In the first equation, there are two unknowns, a and c. 3 and 3 are the roots of the second equation. There are two unknowns, d and b. But what they asked, you see, roots of this equation. We have to find the roots of this equation. We have to solve this equation. But there are also two unknowns. What are two unknowns? A and B. So our main work is to find A and B first, substitute it, then you solve it. We don't want other letters and all. Even if you find, it's a waste of time. We have to find A and B. How can you find A and B? A is in the first equation. Listen. So the roots are 8 and 2 are the roots of this equation. So if you find sum of the roots means 8 plus 2. Sum of the roots 8 plus 2. Sum of the roots equal to minus B by A. That is minus A by 1. So 10 is equal to minus A, or you can say A is equal to minus 10. We want A value. Next we want B value, where you can see B is in the second equation, that also in the C's place. So from the second equation you find the product. Product means 3 into 3. Product is equal to C by A. What is C here? B by A value 1. Or you are getting B is equal to 3 into 3, it is what? 9. We want that A and B, got it. Substitute here, you are getting the equation. So x square plus AX, A value minus 10. So minus 10x plus B value 9 equal to 0. It's a quadratic equation. Sum is minus 10 and product is 9. The numbers are minus 9 and minus 1. Coefficient is 1, so straight away we can write x minus 9 into x minus 1 equals 0. So the two answers are 9 and 1. So the correct option is the third one, 9, 1. Now let us see the 16th question. A and B are real roots of this equation, x square minus kx plus c equals 0. Then the distance between the points. So what we do first, A and B are roots of this equation. So we find A plus B, sum of the roots, A plus B is equal to minus B by A, minus k. So it is plus k by A value 1. And product A into B equal to C by A. C by A, here it is C by 1. So it is C. So these two values, just leave it there. What they asked in the question, distance between the 2 points. Distance between the 2 points, distance is equal to root of x1 minus x2 or x2 minus x1 the whole square. So you can write in any way. A minus B the whole square. A minus B the whole square plus 0 minus 0 the whole square. Just we apply distance formula. So root cancel, you are getting A minus B. A minus B can be written as root of A plus B the whole square minus 4AB. Alpha minus beta the whole square is alpha plus beta the whole square minus 4 alpha beta. This result we are applying. So alpha minus beta means it is root of. So A minus B can be written as root of A plus B the whole square minus 4 AB. Substitute the values, that is root of A plus B value k. So it is k square minus 4 into AB value c. So the correct answer is root of k square minus 4ac. The first option is the correct one. 17th question, partial fraction kx by, it is the first type one. Denominator factorizable, so a by first factor, b by second factor. It is given in the correct form. There is an unknown k, they asked find k value. So very simple thing, you take LCM. When you take LCM, k plus 2 into k minus 1, denominators are same. So you will get kx is equal to 2 into this, 2 into x minus 1 plus 1 into x plus 2. That is kx is equal to 2x minus 2 plus x plus 2. These two get cancelled. Kx is equal to 3x. 2x plus 1x, 3x. So you are getting kx is equal to 3x, or you can say k is equal to 3, and the correct option is the third one. 3 is the correct answer. Now let us see the 18th question. Another question in partial fraction, first type only. So we have what they asked here, find the value of a plus b. So you have to find a and b, then you have to add them. So factorize, you will get 3 minus x into x plus 1. So we take LCM. When you take LCM, if you expand, multiply and see, you will get the same thing. So get cancelled. So equate the numerators. 1 minus 2x is equal to a into x plus 1 plus b into 3 minus x. To get a value, make this 0. For that you put x is equal to 3. When you put x is equal to 3, 2 into 3, 6. So 1 minus 6 is minus 5 is equal to, you are giving 3, so 3 plus 1 is 4, so 4a, and that part gets 0. So a is equal to minus 5 by 4. To find b value, you make this 0. For that you put x equal to minus 1. When you put x equal to minus 1, minus 2 into minus 1, so it becomes plus 2. So 1 plus 2, that is 3 is equal to, when you give minus 1, this becomes 0. When you give minus 1, minus 1 is plus 1, 3 plus 1 is 4. So 4b or b is equal to 3 by 4. So that is b value. But what they asked to find? A plus b. A value minus 5 by 4 and b value 3 by 4. So 4 is LCM, minus 5 plus 3, it is minus 2. Cancel, you will get minus 1 by 2. So the correct option is the first one. Let us see the 19th question. Number of roots of one equation given. It is a fourth degree equation. It's a quartic equation. When you expand, you will get x raised to 4. Here also x raised to 4, but no negative sign. X raised to 4 term won't get cancelled. When the degree is 4, number of roots will be 4. So the correct answer is the first option, 4. Let us see the 20th question. The value of this logarithm, 5 logs given, right? So you can use base changing rule very easily. You can see here 11, 11, the base 11, these two, and 13 and 13, 15 and 15, 27 and 27. So what is left out? Log 81 to the base 3. So if you want to find the value, you can do it in two ways. You take it as x, change it into exponential form, 3 raised to x. 3 raised to x is 81, that is 81 is 3 raised to 4. Bases are same, so the powers are equal, so you are getting x is equal to 4. So the correct answer is the fourth one.